news can't give you for the land of New Banana Island, because I want to make you testify for this New Banana Island too. So right now office now I stand gidigba like this, and I want to make you come collect your own plot of New Banana Island for our office for Bejowi Plaza, number 181 Odili Road, opposite Chicken Republic in Port-Harcourt, Rivers State, Nigeria, in West Africa. Why they give you this address like this now? Because say anywhere where you dey, USA, Canada, UK, anywhere you find yourself, you can quickly call me on 0903429651 to collect your own plot of New Banana Island. You can get 10 plots, 15 plots, 30 plots, 50 plots, 100 plots, so that you fit use them, build plaza, build school, use them for any business adventure, and your return on investment go dey like this, and at the end of the day you go happy. Na I want make you come collect your own plot, because I be mama good news and I want make good thing follow you. My people say, oh Lord, he go like good thing don come home, and I want make you take part inside, so I don bring the good thing for you, make you collect your own, and I dey wait for you. Don't forget say the number to call na 0903429651.